NANI?!
The position
The position of what?
of the exhaust.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, the camera has one battery.
Shit.
Oh god. Okay, so when did we change this? Like last week?
Yeah.
It was like last week we changed Aisha's exhaust.
Yeah, it's like last week.
Because she had this massive cannon. She had this huge cannon on it. And she hated it. And she kindly went to get Jerrell's new exhaust. And while she's gone, we're gonna get this pipe. We're gonna cut it and weld it back onto this one and bolt this one back on, and the pipe's gonna come out like this. It's going up, right?
Yeah.
BOSOZOKU style. And she's gonna come home. I don't know what she's gonna say. She's probably gonna think it's unfixable. Like low-key.
It's gonna be good.
Because she's so happy with her new exhaust.
That's how we're gonna regulate it.
So we're gonna have to try to do this before she comes home.
Test.
Test.
Yes, it works.
Oh, you're talking about the helmet?
Yeah.
Oh, hold what?
Exhaust.
Okay.
Is it centered?
Yeah, that's centered.
Okay, just hold it like that and close your eyes.
Okay.
It'll be good.
Alright. What, on a scale of 1 to 10, what's your welding skill?
2.
2.
Wait, which one's the highest?
10.
2.
So before it was like,
You can't even move it.
it was like here. It wasn't
Center.
centered. It wasn't centered before. But now, yeah. It looks good.
It's because we eyeballed it off the car last time.
Yeah. That's the way.
Yeah.
The whole thing's a bit big. He wants to use the whole pipe.
Maybe half.
The whole pipe. I think half is enough.
Yeah. Okay. But how do we get an accurate 45? We don't.
We don't. We eyeball it like the first one.
You reckon drum will work?
A Dremel?
Yeah.
I think it would break. We're using this dirty hacksaw
Yeah.
because last time we used Jerrell's angle grinder, but we used all of his blade and it's at his house. And so this is kind of all we have.
I feel like it'd be just as slow.
Yeah, that's true. Alright.
Old fashioned.
We'll take turns, we'll take shifts.
Halfway.
Yeah, halfway. We'll swap. Oh my god, this blade's so dodgy. I'm gonna call Aisha to see how far she is. Hello?
Yes.
Can you... Jerrell said to call him when you're there so we can tell the guy to come out.
Send a message in the chat.
Yeah.
Or just send a message in the chat.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Huh?
Bye.
Okay, bye. She deserves this. She deserves this. We can't do it because we can't cut through. We just realized we're cutting the dumb way. Cutting this way instead of from the top, going this way. Yeah, that was pretty unsafe. Yeah. All right, there we go. Easy.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Oh, yeah. Easy. All right, let's do it.
That's gonna be lit. I reckon that'll be good.
Do it. Let's do it. Oh shit.
That's the third one.
Was that Aisha's blade?
Yeah. There's like
Oh,
a
he
whole,
stepped on it.
There's like a whole thing of them. Whole tub of them. I
Oh
put one on,
yeah.
And then I dropped it and it just started and then I did it again.
She's gonna find out when she watches this. Jerrell's welding is 2 out of 10. My welding is -2 out of 10. I'm still on my L's. This is Jerrell's car. And my car. On the gang.
The tack monster. Look at all those tacks.
Tack monster. Oh yeah.
This shit is weld.
Hey, it's still better than this thing.
So hot.
Look at that.
Dude, look at that heat.
Smell it.
It's so hot.
Alright.
Do we
Now, part 2.
So how do we do this?
Someone's gonna have to hold it. Hold it. While someone else welds.
Do you want to weld it?
I'll do like half.
Huh?
Yeah.
I'll tack it in place and then.
Okay. Alright.
We'll just go.
So like the next step.
Alright.
Yeah, there was a massive gap here, so you had to fill it up. All with the welds.
That's
It's
all.
all welds.
It's all weld.
There's no pipe.
There's no pipe there, it's just weld.
I feel like it will.
Yeah, because that's
Like-
that's a match stick.
We're debating if it's gonna clear the bumper. Because her exhaust doesn't. Well, I mean, that one did stick out.
Yeah, it did. It stuck out by like that much. And then we have that much extra.
Let's hope it clears the bumper.
Tack it. We'll be done now.
Alright, this is the big reveal.
Whoa.
I'm gonna see if it's gonna fit.
Dude, this is gonna like bend the exhaust. You need to find something to chuck under this.
What are we?
Oh my god.
What are we doing?
What is this?
Let me tighten it.
Oh, this looks good. Oh my god.
She's gonna freak out. Oh my god.
I think I like it.
No, we have to hide that so she doesn't see it because she's gonna think we're just like holding it up as a joke. You can do the honors.
Go for it.
Go for it. There's smoke coming out. Oh no. Yeah, we always make jokes that we'll do this type of stuff, but we never do it, and we've actually done it. This is what happens when you leave us alone for like an hour.
Yeah.
Put a jacket. So she thinks there's someone standing there when she comes. She's coming. Hi.
What the hell? What's turning on?
Oi, do you like it? Do you like it?
No, I don't like it.
Oi, we like it.
Hey,
We're not gonna change it.
You're changing
No, we're not changing it,
we
right?
spent a lot of time on that.
Yeah, we really did.
We spent too much time. You're gonna turn heads.
Yeah.
Not in a good way.
You don't like it? We're gonna leave it.
Slam the car as well.
Yeah, that's the way. She found out.
Did it just shatter on you?
Yeah, he turned it on and it just broke.
Splattered 3 times.
It broke, and then came back together, and then broke again.
2 more times.
You got pranked
Keep one done.
by BMR Mods. That's our outro to everyone, even if it's not a prank.
Yeah.
You got pranked by BMR Mods.